naendo manyite, charity also begins at home. And since nimesema this is a global problem, you can be able to read about it even from the internet and from other social media sites. Naboto guchakira rende kegoge singencho esebono iga. Togo chakiranka esebono iga kusabu naindi no mete gente inataka resources pia. So as we get resources, as we go to the schools and give the sanitary towels, nende omurobiri yoyo na chagito mutienyo gatatu. Naende nga promise ngateba ninche ndare chiskuru chionsi chi ward yaito chire public. The target population mostly ekoba bana baisike kwanzia grade 5 to grade 9. Lakini rendo konyora ntubata abana bande bare lower grades than that, na kama grade 4 hivi ama grade 3, lakini bachakire korora amanyinga yo mutenyi. So we also include them because now we go to the schools, we get the data, we talk to the management, alafu bamanya gotowa a list ya bana abo bari batakeire bari bagutumika ebitambe byobo chenu. Alafu namanya kogenda rende, I solicit for funds from wherever, from friends, well wishers, and also from my own pockets. And then we just purchased and we take. So rina chiete the first time ngakwa magina sana. Ngakwa magina na bere kingwa kwa magina sana, lakini rende nche ni manyite esenge nchonjo no musubati. Na I was once a young girl, ni maite style egente kigegocha kira kogose sana, inaweza kufanya ukose confidence na hata ukose kusoma kabisa. Na ine tu irane skuru UP, lakini toko nyore support yuko ruwe sabarimu nenda saa baibori. Tunasema waongeleshe watoto wao from home. That is where it starts. And then wago cheskuru wanaongeleshwa na walimu, and then now as we come in now as the community toko bakwani ramanganaye tokanyoranga kwa magine singencho bagoteba bono taite go support omwana omwisike pieka. Because unajua people are not enlightened about this issue, wanafikiria it is a girl issue, but rende ngatema korengereri within my resources ngento kinda kore naende la enkorera omwana omumura bono ngachaka koena na embombo. Ni sengencho ni maita abana bamura wanapenda sana. Alafu unajua sasa wakicheza break time inawachangamsha amongo, wakifika wakirudi kwa class anakuwa amefunguka mind, so wanaweza endelea kusoma.
Very good.